Time about that money, you know hustling gives. Deserving what I got, I put in work for years, you know what I'm saying? It's a new year, I ain't dropped no videos all year. It's crazy because I told myself I wasn't dropping shit until I caught my vehicle, and I want to say that I'm blessed, my brother. Got the car that I low-key been dreaming about. I wanted a ZL1, but I don't want to hop into all that horsepower yet. Plus, I got a good deal on the SS, so 200 on the dash, you know. It's still factory. I just got the muffler deleted, and I got the tent going. So we really finna go on a journey. You know what I'm saying? And as much like I want to talk shit and, you know, like pop my shit, it's like, for a minute, I just gotta sit back and be like, damn, I'm blessed to be in the position I'm in. But yes, this is a convertible. You know what I'm saying? But right now, we finna link with Huncho. Finna link with Huncho with the cat. You feel me? I think he's gonna get his tire changed and shit. And I think it's at a lot. Shit, if we do that, I might just see what they got on the lot. You know what I'm saying? You feel me? Police came and shut us down. Deputy! Hey, it's your boy Carl. I'm back with a banger. You know what I'm saying? I finally bought my own car. Purchased my own car. I'm with the guys. I ain't got a muffler delete because I ain't like how it sounded the first time I got it. When I got the 5% tent, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Got Skrilla, got Hunter on the cut, you feel me? Yo, we doing, man.
We outside, you tune in, you better tune in now.
Better tune in, you know, fuck with them. Deputy!
Hey, YouTube in the description.
Deputy!
I ain't gonna lie, gang. You got
What's up, boy? That boy got that fan, you hear me? DTJ, what's up, boy?
You ever try a car thing?
Big killer.
Ain't gonna be like, yeah.
Yeah. Oh, God. Right there. We got that SS, by the way. Let me call something like that, like I'm playing around. Nah, but for real, we got that SS. I like how you got a tail light, so I really want my tail light sitting. Yeah. Got the cat. The cat getting a bath. Deputy!
Why you wanna go get my scat?
Deputy! Why you ain't break it up? How much you charge up for the watch?
About 6.
Hey, listen, man, if y'all need to watch it, Winter Haven, come get it by the best, man. If you're in the city, if you're late, slide Winter Haven, come get a watch by the best. And the watchman got a scat.
They don't really see me at all because I get a
It's Justin coming. Oh, yeah, you say you gonna get a bet, bro.
Who?
I'll be right there with you.
get that bet in August.
Huh?
You get that bet, let me hold it. For a couple
Let's
weekends.
get my scat.
That real now. That real.
Stop begging, bro.
I'm about to put some rounds on.
What? Scat?
Yeah, you know what I'm saying? I got that strong. You know what I'm saying? Look. These are pants, they really stack. They ain't supposed to look like that. But, hey, Dylan.
Right now.
We finna slide out to Lake Hamilton, you feel me? I don't even like to go to shit in my city or in Pope, but I guess I just got the whip out some face with the God, you feel me? Listen, like I said, if y'all need a wash, if y'all in the city of Winter Haven, Eagle Lake, really, if you in Pope, if you watching the video, he taxed us 15 for a car wash, you feel me? The wax, all that shit. Y'all tap the fuck in, man. Yeah.
So loud, I couldn't even tell him my shit crunk.
That shit is loud. Hey, see, look, chat. This is what happens when you don't know how to drive. You feel me? They out here hitting potholes and shit.
Fun, no pothole hit me.
It hit you. He got you all right though, bro, with the wash. I wonder how he gonna do that soft top. I wonder how he gonna do that soft top. So listen, you feel me? On a day like this, we just got it washed. We got the top off. I really ain't supposed to have it off. I just got that bitch tinted. You know what I'm saying? 5%, you feel me? Appreciate my dog for getting me right with the wash, you feel me? If y'all in the city, like I said, y'all can get washed. Hold on, man. It's crazy, I ain't even supposed to have the window down. They literally put, do not roll down. You know, black people do not follow directions. You know what I'm saying? That being said, took him off. Okay. Bless,
niggas got
man.
on fire shoes. So
You got on fire. You washing cars in the 11s. You
I ain't
feel
gonna
me?
lie to you. If I show you my closet, you'll be mad. I got like 300 pair of shoes.
For real?
I
Shit.
got to do R1s.
For real?
Yeah.
You pay how much for them?
4,500.
Oh,
I got a 4,600. What's up?
I'll be down. I'll be down. Hey, we roll through the hood, you hear me? Roll through the hood. Let's get some cracks and poppers. Sheesh. That did sound so good. Roll through the hood. You know what I'm saying? It's a lovely day outside, not gonna lie. But we gotta be careful though. Hey, if you're watching this, I promise you, I'm going the speed limit. Just because the car is loud does not mean that I'm speeding, my brother. I don't do any car meets. I don't spin. I don't do none of that. You know what I'm saying? I just have a loud car. You know what I'm saying? So if you're looking for car meets, they're doing shit that, you know, the feds be looking for. Don't come to my channel. But we on the way to the hell, you hear me? Hey, look, Shaq, you feel me? What's up, boy? What's up, Mark the Kid? What's up, nigga? Coolin'? Boy, you doing your thing with them videos, boy. Hey, y'all tap in, man. Mark the Kid, man. I'll put it in for the video. Yes, sir, Ski. I don't know, brother. This nigga trying to get us to do some crazy shit. You know what I'm saying? Hey, this is how we do in the city on a light day, yeah. But this bitch so deep. I didn't came.
What's going on, man? I'll tune in.
You know what I'm saying?
You gonna go back through there? You wanna go back through there?
Bro, there's no way we gonna.
Who the fuck is Drifters Club, too?
That's the fun.
Oh.
What we finna do? Huh?
Y'all trying to ride back through? They like, they fucking with that bitch.
Huh?
We gotta just get in that bitch and start revving it.
Hey, I'm down. Y'all down.
Hey, the top off, nigga. Top off, nigga. You know what I'm saying?
But the old head was like, don't do it. Probably the police and shit. But everybody else like, do it.
Hey, we good.
I did a little bit.
I couldn't even put my glasses. I'm trying to see people's faces and shit.
I'm trying to see what it is.
That's how you feel me? Niggas walking up on me. Zay done scared the fuck out my ass. Nigga reached across my line. What the fuck? Zay, nigga with the wigs. Zay with dreads. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? You got that shit on, P? I forgot to give y'all a car tour, you know what I'm saying? I copped a 2017 convertible Camaro SS. They gave me a good deal on it. I walked out like 33 cash. I can't beat that. First day, got the muffler deleted. First day, 5% tint. You know what I'm saying? It's going crazy. It's too cold right now, hell. I had the top drop. I don't give a fuck. We outside. Ready? Alright.
You know what's on that dash.
Hey, man, I ain't a lot of for y'all that watching, y'all fuck me, y'all let me know what color I should wrap it. I'm thinking about doing a black hood, but I feel like everybody got that. You know what I'm saying? Cat got it. Cat got it. We got the lights on the side. There's a lot of stuff I got to do to it, but I did not know that shit was so expensive, bro. You know what I'm saying?
Why you think my car ain't fully built, man, back there?
I'm saying, bro, like, god damn, bro.
That shit cost you. That shit
I'm telling you. Listen, I'm gonna get back up with y'all boys, though.
I got the Bentley.
Come on. You feel me? You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? The hood fucking with us.
I would, burn.
I'm saying, my shit ball too. You know what I'm saying? We out here on a light day. I ain't gonna lie, fam. We used to watch other people. Hey, we used to watch other people do this. Now it's us, bro. You feel me? Like that, I ain't gonna lie. It's nothing but a blessing, already.
Feel me? You know what time it is. SS on top. Once you go Chevy, you won't never go heavy.
Feel me?
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying?
Let me talk to her real quick.
Talk to her, gang.
You know what I'm saying?
You hear me?
Aight.
Nigga dropped the 16. Nigga dropped 21. You know what I'm saying? Hey, I'm just telling niggas, they used to be, you feel me?
Us, man.
We used to watch y'all. We used to watch niggas do this, now it's us. You know what I'm saying? You said what?
Your car on?
Nah.
Oh.
So popular loner, so I moved out the way for my mental. And that shit fucking made me a stoner. Told them folks cut me in and they counted me out, so now I got a chip on my